What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Got a lot of great content coming out in the future. I'm starting to make more videos, figure out what I want to do with this 2023 Mustang. Today, all I'm going to be doing is, I recently got a new computer because I've been using my phone and my iPad to do edits on my videos. But anyways, I got a new computer, so today we're just gonna go out, we're gonna use the GoPro and just my phone, and we're gonna try to film some kind of cool video of the car, just to, you know, get back into my editing and seeing what the new computer can do and see what it can handle. It might turn out good, might not, but let's get the GoPro attached to the car and see how the video turns out.
Scratch, taking back. Gun